Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today we're having a beautiful rainstormy day, so I thought I'd just sit inside, talk to you guys and film a little video. Surprisingly, the lighting is very good right now. So I'm hoping that doesn't change. Also, I'm sorry if I still sound a little stuffy. I am still not getting over like my little cold thing, so. But currently we are working on my bathroom and I've just kind of noticed how much product I have and how much I use, which is a lot. You know, if I had to answer that question, if you were stranded on a deserted island, you could only have 3 things, I would die. I thought it would be a good idea just to do a little video talking, just non-spons, just honestly my favorite go-to products. A lot of these I even use every single day. Some of them are new that I haven't talked to you guys about yet, and some of them I have talked about before because they're just, I've used them for a long time and I love them. I'm going to start with this product just because this is one of my OG products. I've definitely talked about this on my channel at least in 3 different videos. So this is from Fresh. This is their Vitamin Nectar Vibrancy Boosting face mask. Now, your girl talks about a lot of face masks. I know I've made so many skincare videos and talked about 50 billion different face masks on my channel, but this is just one that I honestly love. It's like my favorite go-to face mask. If I'm having a sleepover party and we're putting on face masks, this is the one I'm using. It is packed with tons of vitamins. It's very hydrating. It boosts your radiance a lot. It's also a very refreshing face mask. I like to put this on in the morning. It smells like a fruit smoothie. You can even like see chunks of fruit in it. And I'm gonna say like 50 times in this video, this smells good because everything I have here smells amazing. And I mean, when I put on a face mask, I mean, yeah, sure, it helps your skin, you know, but when I put on a face mask, I'm trying to relax, you know? I don't want to have to worry about, I have to take this off in 2 minutes or else I get a chemical burn. You know, I just kind of want to let it sit. I will let my face mask be on for like an hour. And this I can do that with, I can leave this on for 3 days and it's great. Next that we have is actually a duo. This was recently sent to me. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw on my story. So this is from a brand called Jizu. I have both their honey infused hair mask and then their honey infused hair oil. First of all, their packaging is gorgeous, which you know I'm a sucker for cute packaging. I don't know what it is about products that I love so much. It's just cute little bottles with little good smelling goops in them and I love it. So I'll kind of use this 2 different ways. Either I'll apply it to like my dry hair and I'll let it sit for 10 minutes and then I'll rinse it off in the shower, or I'll sort of mix it into my conditioner when I'm in the shower and then let that sit and then I'll rinse it off. I recently did this and it made my hair so soft is I put this in just like my dry hair, and then I also put this in, like a whole palm full of this, just sort of soaked my ends in it and then I rinsed it off in the shower. My ends looked beautiful. Mainly how I like to use this oil is I'll put some in my palms when my hair's still damp after I get out of the shower, and then I'll run it through my hair so that way when it's dried, it's nice and nourished. You know, it gets that chance to soak up the oil more so than just putting it on your dry hair and then you just look like you have greasy hair. Not a good look. I've been really loving like honey infused products too. I've been noticing that. You guys know I'm a coconut girl. Love coconut everything. Trust me, I have coconut everything. I still use my coconut conditioner religiously. But I actually have another honey product too. I've been loving honey lately. But yeah, the smell, this honey mask, like mixed with my coconut conditioner, smell, I want to eat my hair. Oh boy. So speaking of my other honey product, this is from Lancome. If you've been following me, you'll know that I went to London with Lancome and they gave me a bunch of products. If you haven't seen it, I actually vlogged that trip, so you should go watch it. But they sent me this product and I was just very impressed. This is the Lancome Foaming Cleansing Makeup Remover. And so I was in my bubble bath, you know, doing my thing, just washing my makeup off. And you know how when you initially wash your face and then you come up and you look in the mirror and then you like, you know, you expect like a little bit of mascara running. You still have a little bit of lip stain on. This got everything off. I was so highly impressed. Even I had on like my toughest mascara that day, not waterproof, but just like a good mascara that day. It got it all off in one wash. My mom keeps stealing this from me. I have to steal it back from her bathroom because she got obsessed with this too. And again, it smells amazing. It smells so good. If you followed me for a while, you know that I have a bad habit of tasting my good smelling products. I'm not trying to endorse tasting your skincare, but yeah, I tasted it and it tastes really good. My mom ended up using it for the first time and she came out of the shower and she was like, by any chance, did you like happen to get that face wash in your mouth because it tastes so good? And I was like, Girl, you already know. I'm not saying to eat your face wash. Do not eat your face wash. Don't do that. It's not a good idea. The next product I have is not a new product. It's a product I've used for a very long time, but surprisingly, I think this is the first time I'm talking about it. I could be wrong, but I'm not sure. So this is from BIOpeel. Just kidding, I lied. It's from Neogen Dermatology. It's called BIOpeel, and it's their gauze peeling lemon pads. So basically what this is these little, as you could, I don't know if you can see that. You can get these at Sephora, and so it's like a little pad. It has like a little pocket in the back. Let me show you. So it's like a little glove mitt you can put on your fingers, and then you like scrub it on your face. So basically it's both physical and chemically exfoliating for your face. The lemon, you know, goes really deep into your pores and exfoliates from the inside, and then the gauze is like a little bit rough, so it exfoliates your skin at the same time. And I just sort of like rub them in circles all around my face. These bad boys leave your face feeling so good, girlfriend. This helps me get my face so smooth, no matter what skin problem I'm having, whether it's just excess dryness or whether like I have a breakout or whatever it is. This helps my skin just so insanely much. This product is truly a lifesaver. If you know me, you know that I fake tan, and I try to fake tan year round. And I have tons of friends who fake tan as well, and I force them to buy this product. This is from Jergens. This is their Natural Glow Daily Moisturizer, and I have it in the shade medium to tan. You can get it in like light medium, medium tan. So basically what it is, it's just like a white, looks like a body lotion. So basically you put it on every day, and it's supposed to gradually give you like a natural glowing tan. Now I've had tons of products like this before, just not from Jergens, like more expensive ones. This full-size bottle, because it comes in smaller ones too, is only like $8, where I had some other ones from more expensive brands that were like $30, and they did not work as good as this one. I had one before where I was putting it on every day, and after like a week of putting it on every day, I barely noticed a difference. This was so intense after the first application of everything. Like, I already noticed myself almost a full foundation shade darker. I use this a couple different ways. I use it as like an in-between, where like I do still use my foam tanner, but like say if it's not freshly on, I've had it on for a while and it's just sort of fading, I'll put this on and then wake up in the morning and it'll be like a booster glow. And it's a really great thing. I would highly recommend this if you've never fake tan before and you're sort of, you know, nervous about it, because I know starting to get into fake tan is like a little bit scary. I would highly recommend this for beginners because it's very easy to use. I would still recommend using a glove with it because it does give you actual color, so you don't want your hands getting dirty. But if you're a beginner to the fake tanning world, this is what I would tell you to use, because you don't get super duper dark instantly. Like, it is very natural, it's very gradual. And I just think it's amazing. I came across this product when I was shopping in Malibu, and I've never really, I know there's like a lot of things on the market like this, but I've never had anything like this. And I love the brand Replica. Their perfumes are like honestly my top fave. So when I noticed they came out with a body product, I was honestly freaking out. I was fangirling in Sephora. It's their Beach Walk, which is my favorite perfume from them, by the way. Their Beach Walk Dry Body Oil. Look at this fragrance description. Sun-kissed, salty skin. I love that. I really love that. I like that it's like a spray dispense, because that just makes, you know, everything 5 times easier. So you spray it on, it hydrates your body, but it also gives you the scent of the perfume. So it's like a 2-in-1. You're moisturizing your body, you're getting a nice little glow, which is especially great for the summer because I always like to put something super shiny on my legs. And then you also, it's your perfume at the same time, which is so mind-blowing to me. I love products like this where it's just, it makes my life easier. So now on to makeup products. I have actually a couple lip products, so I'll just talk about them all together. First are these little like lip chubby sticks, which I'm wearing, I think both of them right now. I think I mixed both of them. I wear these all of the time. These are just like my throw in my bag sort of lip colors. So these are from Hourglass, and I think they're both different collections, but this one that I have here is in the shade Nude N2. And then this one, as you can tell, I like this one a lot better because it's barely there. This one is in the shade Idealist. This one has more of like a glossy sheen finish, where this one is very just like matte. They're very easy to just swipe on. I like the shape of them. They're very nice. So I have these 2 lip exfoliators. These are from Frank Body, which I just love Frank Body in general. All of their products are amazing. I use their body scrubs like crazy. I have like 8 bags of them under my bathroom sink right now. But these are their lip exfoliators, and so it's like a coffee sugar scrub. So this is just like the original coffee one. And then I also have this one, which is a cherry one. I think this is like Newark because they just sent this to me. And it basically just smells like a cherry icy. I like to put these on before I start to do my makeup. Just I'll like put that on, exfoliate my lips, and then I'll put my lip product on. I don't feel like getting that. And then this product that I have right here, I'm going to talk about this product specifically, but also the product in general, which is just liquid bronzers. And I'm not talking about using them for bronzing and contouring. With my fake tanner, I don't put it on my face, so a lot of the time I'll just have like a line here of like it's tan and then it's like the color of my shirt up here. This is Do the Hula from Benefit. When I'm having my no makeup days, it definitely looks weird having 2 different skin colors, but if I don't want to like throw on foundation, then once you throw on foundation, then you're tempted to just do a whole face of makeup. So this is what I typically do, is I just take a liquid bronzer and I'll just swirl that around, or sometimes I'll just pat on with my fingers. And it just evens out my skin tone, but it doesn't give any coverage. This one is actually like a matte one, so it just kind of like dries into your skin and looks like as if I would have just put my fake tanner on my face. But some of them that I have like glow in it, which is really nice, so it's still like you're like highlighted and fresh. So those are all of my current and just forever go-to favorite products that I'm using all the time. I'm so happy the sun has lasted. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you were able to find some of your new favorite go-to things. Of course, I will have all of the products linked in the description so you can have fun and shop. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see just more product videos or beauty videos in general. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday and every Friday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.